students, let's start with our new chapter, chapter number 1, Mathematical Logic, in part first. Logic teach us how to make concrete and clear statement in mathematics. The content in this chapter are first, statement and its truth value, second, logical connective compound statements, third, truth tables and compound statements, 4. Statement pattern, logical equivalence. 5th, tautology, contradiction and contingency. 6. Quantifiers and quantified statements, duality. 7th, application of logic to switching circuit and switching table. First of all, we see the definition of statement. We know there are 4 types of sentences: assertive, exclamatory, interrogative and imperative. The statement is a declarative, that is assertive sentence, which is either true or false, but not both simultaneously. That is the sentence which has only one value, that means which is either true or false, but it has not both the values. Such a sentence is called as the statement. The statements are denoted by the small letters P, Q, R, S, etc. Now the truth value of a statement. We know each statement is either true or false. If a statement is true, then its truth value is capital T, that is true. And if the statement is false, then its truth value is F, capital F, that is false. That means when the statement is true, ज्यावेळेला स्टेटमेंट हे ट्रू असेल त्यावेळेला त्याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू कॅपिटल टी म्हणजे ट्रू असेल, आणि ज्या वेळेला स्टेटमेंट हे फॉल्स असेल त्यावेळेला त्याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू कॅपिटल एफ म्हणजेच फॉल्स असेल. नाउ we'll consider some examples. First example, sun rises in east. Second, sum of two odd numbers is odd. Third, 5 into 2 is equal to 11. Now here we observe first example is sun rises in east. We observe that this statement is true and so its truth value is true. Now the sum of two odd numbers is odd. Now if we consider any two odd numbers, suppose the odd numbers are 3 and 9. If we add these two odd numbers, that is 3 plus 9, we get 12. But 12 is not odd number, it is an even number. And so in this way, if we again consider another odd numbers, for example 5 plus 13. If we add them, we get 5 plus 13 is equal to 18. It is again an even number, which is not an odd number, and therefore this given statement sum of two odd numbers is odd is false, and so its truth value is again false, that is capital F. Now third, 5 into 2. Here the LHS is 5 into 2, its value is 10. If we find or if we take the product, its value is 10, but here it is given 11, and so this is the false statement. And here I write the truth value of statement 1 is true and the truth value of statement 2 and 3 is false. Now remember one note. The sentence says like interrogative, exclamatory and imperative, that is command, request, order, suggestion are not statements because their values, their truth values are vary. Here we consider some examples now. First example is please give your pen. Here some request is done. So in this sentence request to someone, so it is not a statement. Second, do you like to play tennis? Here one question is asked. That is, this is interrogative sentence. And so it is not again a statement. Third one is sit down. Here order is given. So again it is not statement. And here this is which type of sentence? This is imperative sentence. This is interrogative sentence. And here again imperative sentence. And so all these three are not statement. Now again we consider another examples. First example is x plus 5 is equal to 8. If we solve this, we observe for x is equal to 3, this statement becomes true. If we put here 3, we get 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. That means for x is equal to 3, this statement becomes true. But other values, that means the values other than 3, this equation cannot be solved. This equation becomes false. And so here I write here for x is equal to 3 statement is true, and for other than 3 it is false statement. That means here the value of this sentence vary. Now second, mathematics is an interesting subject. Now we know mathematics is not interesting for all of you. Some like mathematics and some of not like the mathematics subject. That means here it depends on the person. So here the truth value varies from person to person. And so in the above sentences, the truth value depends upon the situation. And such sentences are called as open sentences. Open sentence is not a statement. Remember this. Open sentence is not statement. Now we discuss about the logical connectives. Connective means what? Which make combination of two or more. Now here in the chapter we discuss about the logical connectives. The words or phrases which are used to connect two statements are called logical connectives. असे शब्द की जे दोन स्टेटमेंट जोडण्याचे काम करतात, अशांना आपण काय म्हणणार? अशा वर्ड्सला आपण काय म्हणणार? तर लॉजिकल connectives. In the chapter we study the connectives and, or, if then, if and only if, not. That means we study about these 5 logical connectives here. But before that we see what is simple statement and compound statement. Now the simple statement, a statement which cannot be split further into 2 or more statements is called simple statement. अशी स्टेटमेंट की जी 2 किंवा 2 पेक्षा जास्त स्टेटमेंट मध्ये आपल्याला वेगळी वेगळी करता येणार नाही किंवा स्प्लिट करता येणार नाही, डिवाइड करता येणार नाही, अशा स्टेटमेंटला सिंपल स्टेटमेंट असं म्हटलं जातं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 3 and 5 are twin primes. We cannot split this sentence. Okay, 3 and 5 are twin primes, and so it is the simple statement here. Now the compound statement. If a statement is combination of 2 or more simple statements, then it is called a compound statement. ज्या वेळेला एखादं स्टेटमेंट हे 2 किंवा 2 पेक्षा जास्त सिंपल स्टेटमेंट पासून बनलेलं असेल, त्यावेळेला त्याला कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट असं म्हटलं जातं. दॅट इज व्हेन a statement can be split in 2 or more than 2 simple statements, it is called as a compound statement. म्हणजे साध्या सोप्या सरळ भाषेत सांगायचं झालं तर जे स्टेटमेंट आपण 2 किंवा 2 पेक्षा जास्त सिंपल स्टेटमेंटमध्ये स्प्लिट करू शकतो, वेगळं करू शकतो, त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार तर कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 3 is a prime number and 4 is an even number. Here we observe that we divide this statement in two parts. One part is, that is the one simple statement is 3 is a prime number, and the other part, that is the second simple statement, is here 4 is an even number. That means here these two simple statements are joined by the word and. That means here and is used as logical connective here. Okay, now we discuss about our next part, that is we actually start with our logical connectives here. The first logical connective is conjunction. If two statements are combined using the connective and, then it is called as a conjunction. ज्या वेळेला दोन स्टेटमेंट ह्या and ह्या शब्दाने जोडलेल्या असतील त्यावेळेला त्याला कंजंक्शन असं म्हटलं जातं. Suppose there are two simple statements P and Q. Then P and Q is called as conjunction. Symbolically we write in this way here. Okay? And we read it as P conjunction Q or P and Q. याला आपण सिम्बॉलिकली अशा पद्धतीने दाखवू शकतो आणि त्याला वाचताना मात्र आपण कसं वाचणार तर P कंजंक्शन Q. हे जे चिन्ह आहे याला कंजंक्शन असं म्हटलं जातं किंवा अँड सुद्धा म्हटलं जातं, किंवा आपण याला कसं वाचणार तर P and Q. Now we see the truth table for conjunction. In the truth table for conjunction of two simple statements, there are three columns. First is the column of P, second for Q, and third column is for the conjunction of two statements, that is P and Q. Now from this truth table we observe that when P is true, Q is true, that is when both the statements are true, the truth value of conjunction is true. When P is true, Q is false, the conjunction of them is false. When P is false, Q is true, their conjunction is false. When P and Q both are false, then their conjunction is false. Now, here from the truth table we observe that the conjunction of these two simple statements is true only when both the statements are true, otherwise it is false. Here I write here, from the truth table, conjunction of two statements is true only when both the statements are true. That is, the conjunction P and Q is said to be true if and only if both P and Q are true. म्हणजे जर P आणि Q दोघं ट्रू असतील तर त्यांचं कंजंक्शन सुद्धा ट्रू असेल, किंवा जर दोन स्टेटमेंटचं कंजंक्शन हे ट्रू असेल तर त्यावेळेला त्या दोघं स्टेटमेंट ह्या ट्रू असतील. नाउ द नेक्स्ट कनेक्टिव्ह मीन्स द सेकंड कनेक्टिव्ह इज डिसजंक्शन. If two statements are combined by using the logical connective OR, then it is called disjunction. ज्या वेळेला दोन सिंपल स्टेटमेंट ह्या OR ह्या शब्दाने जोडलेल्या असतील किंवा OR ह्या लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्हने जोडलेल्या असतील त्यावेळेला त्याला आपण डिसजंक्शन असं म्हणणार. सपोज P, Q or P and Q are these two simple statements, then P or Q is called as disjunction. It is symbolically denoted by this symbol, and we read this symbol as P or Q or P disjunction Q. म्हणजे आपण चिन्हामध्ये हे जे काही डिसजंक्शन आहे दोन स्टेटमेंटचं ते अशा पद्धतीने दाखवणार, मात्र वाचताना आपण त्याला कसं वाचणार तर P or Q किंवा P disjunction Q. म्हणजे हे जे चिन्ह आहे हे कशाचं आहे याला आपण OR किंवा डिसजंक्शन असं म्हणणार. नाउ द ट्रूथ टेबल फॉर डिसजंक्शन. अगेन There are three columns. First is column of P, second is Q, and third is P or Q, that is the disjunction. Now here, when both the statements are true, the truth value is true. When first statement, that means P is true and Q is false, then the conjunction is true. When P is false, Q is true, their conjunction is true. When P is false, Q is false, that is both the statements are false, then here their disjunction is false. That means from this truth table we observe that one of the two statements is true. दोघांपैकी एक स्टेटमेंट जरी ट्रू असली तरी their disjunction, त्यांचं disjunction हे ट्रू असेल. किंवा तुम्ही असंही म्हणू शकतात की ज्या वेळेला दोघं स्टेटमेंट ह्या फॉल्स असतील त्यावेळेला disjunction फॉल्स असेल, अदरवाईज ते ट्रू असेल, त्या व्यतिरिक्त ते ट्रू असेल. I write here the disjunction of two statements is false only when both the statements are false. That is, the disjunction P or Q is false if and only if both P and Q are false. म्हणजे ज्या वेळेला दोघं स्टेटमेंट ह्या फॉल्स असतील त्यावेळेला त्यांचं डिसजंक्शन सुद्धा फॉल्स असेल, किंवा ज्या वेळेला दोन स्टेटमेंटचं डिसजंक्शन हे फॉल्स असेल त्यावेळेला दोघं स्टेटमेंट ह्या फॉल्स असतील. नाउ द थर्ड लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्ह is conditional, or we call it as implication. If two statements are combined using the connective if then it is called as conditional or implication. ज्या वेळेला दोन सिंपल स्टेटमेंट ह्या लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्ह इफ देन ने किंवा फ्रेज इफ देन ने जोडलेल्या असतील त्यावेळेला त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार, कंडिशनल स्टेटमेंट किंवा इम्प्लिकेशन. इन अदर वर्ड्स, इफ P, Q are two simple statements, then if P then Q is called as conditional. ज्या वेळेला P then Q, if P then Q असं असेल त्यावेळेला ते स्टेटमेंट कोणतं असेल तर कंडिशनल स्टेटमेंट असेल. सिम्बॉलिकली वी राईट दिस ॲज P arrow Q, this arrow. Okay, but here this arrow is denoted in these two ways. But here we read this symbol as P implies Q or P if P then Q. That means this is the symbol for implies or if then. Now the truth table for conditional. Again there are three columns, column for P, Q and P implies Q. Now here when P and Q both are true, their conditional statement is true, that is P implies Q is also true. When P is true, Q is false. P implies Q is false. When P is false, Q is true, P implies Q is true. When P is false, Q is false, means both the statements are false. At that time, P implies Q is true. That means here from this truth table we observe in the second condition the truth value is false, and in other conditions the truth value is true. Now what is the first condition here? In the P implies Q, P is true and Q is false. That means when in the implication the first statement is true and the second statement is false, at that time their conditional statement is false here. Now see here I write that conditional of two statement is false only when first statement is true and the second statement is false. That is, conditional statement P implies Q is false if and only if P is true and Q is false. Okay, म्हणजे असं समजून जायचं की ज्या वेळेला P implies Q हे false असेल त्यावेळेला त्यातली P ची व्हॅल्यू ही काय असेल, ट्रू असेल आणि क्यूची व्हॅल्यू फॉल्स असेल. किंवा जरी तुम्हाला असं दिलेलं असेल की पी हा ट्रू आहे आणि क्यू हा फॉल्स आहे, त्या केसमध्ये पी एम्प्लाइज क्यू हा कसा असेल, फॉल्स असेल, अदरवाइज इट इज ट्रू. नाउ हियर इन पी एम्प्लाइज क्यू, P is called as hypothesis or antecedent. Hypothesis म्हणजे काय, assumption. That is P is here assumption. And Q is called conclusion or consequence. Conclusion means result. म्हणजे P implies Q मध्ये P हे assumption आहे आणि Q हे result आहे. P is called as hypothesis or antecedent and Q is called as conclusion or consequence. Okay, now we follow here some conditional statement in another word. That means P implies Q can also be written as P is sufficient for Q, Q is necessary for P, Q follows from P, P only if Q. Now the next logical connective is biconditional, or we call it as double implication. If two statements are combined using the logical connective if and only if, then it is called as biconditional. ज्यावेळेला दोन सिंपल स्टेटमेंट ह्या लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्ह इफ अँड ओनली इफ ने जोडलेल्या असतील त्यावेळेला त्याला आपण बाय कंडिशनल किंवा डबल इम्प्लिकेशन असं म्हटणार. नाउ इफ पी क्यू आर टू स्टेटमेंट्स, देन पी इफ अँड ओनली इफ क्यू is called as biconditional. Symbolically it is denoted by P double-headed arrow Q. This arrow can be shown in these two ways. But here we read this as P biconditional Q or P if and only if Q. म्हणजे सिम्बॉलिकली जरी आपण या सिम्बॉलला डबल इम्प्लिकेशनला असं लिहित असलो की डबल हेडेड ॲरोने, तरी वाचताना मात्र आपल्याला त्याला तसं न वाचता P if and only if Q किंवा P biconditional Q असं वाचायचं आहे. जनरली आपण याला P if and only if Q असंच वाचतो. Now the truth table for biconditional. Again there are three columns. Column for P, column for Q and column for double implication. Now here when both the statements are true, the truth value is true. When P is true, Q is false, the truth value of double implication is false. When P is false, Q is true, the double implication of P and Q is false. When both the statements are false, the truth value is true. That is, from this truth table, we observe that. या ट्रूथ टेबलवरनं आपल्याला असं दिसतं की ज्या वेळेला दोघं स्टेटमेंटची व्हॅल्यू ही सारखी आहे, सेम आहे, त्यावेळेला त्यांच्या बाय कंडिशनल स्टेटमेंटची व्हॅल्यू सुद्धा काय असेल, ट्रू असेल, अदरवाइज ती फॉल्स असेल. हियर आय राईट that binomial statement is true only when both the statements have same truth value. That is, P double implies Q is true if P and Q have the same truth values. Otherwise, it is false. ज्या वेळेला दोघं P आणि Q ची व्हॅल्यू सारखी असेल त्यावेळेला डबल इम्प्लिकेशनची व्हॅल्यू ही ट्रू असेल, अदरवाइज ती false असेल. Now the next and the last logical connective is negation of a statement. If any given statement P, there is another statement which is defined to be true when P is false. बघा काय म्हटलेलं आहे की एखादं P हे स्टेटमेंट आहे, त्याच्यासाठी तिथे अजून एक असं दुसरं स्टेटमेंट आहे की त्याची व्हॅल्यू ही ट्रू असेल. कोणाची? त्या दुसऱ्या स्टेटमेंटची. केव्हा? जर P हे फॉल्स असेल. अँड फॉल्स वेन P इज ट्रू. आणि त्या दुसऱ्या स्टेटमेंटची व्हॅल्यू फॉल्स असेल ज्या वेळेला P हा ट्रू असेल. म्हणजे काय लक्षात येतं इथे जर P ट्रू असेल तर ते अनदर स्टेटमेंट काय आहे, फॉल्स आहे. जर P फॉल्स असेल तर ते अनदर स्टेटमेंट हे कसं असेल, ट्रू असेल. म्हणजेच काय तर P and that other statement have opposite values. P and that another statement have opposite values and is called as the negation of P. Means that another statement is called as negation of P and is denoted symbolically by this symbol, and this symbol is read as negation P or not P. नॉट का यूज केलाय, कारण ते दुसरं स्टेटमेंट जे आहे ते पीच्या कसं आहे, विरुद्ध आहे. मग कुठल्याही सेंटेन्सला जर आपल्याला अपोज मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं असेल तर आपण तिथे काय करतो, नॉट हा वर्ड टाकतो. कुठल्या तरी स्पेसिफिक जागेमध्ये आपण तिथे नॉट हा शब्द ऍड करतो. Negation of a statement is generally formed by inserting the word not at the some proper place in the statement. हे बघा, हे इथे मी तेच लिहिलेलं आहे की जर आपल्याला एखाद्या स्टेटमेंटचं निगेशन फाइंड करायचं असेल तर त्या स्टेटमेंटमध्ये एखाद्या विशिष्ट जागेवरती आपण कोणता शब्द टाकणार आहे, तर नॉट हा शब्द टाकणार. और बाय प्रीफिक्सिंग द स्टेटमेंट विथ it is false that and it is not true that. ओके, म्हणजे नॉट हा शब्द आपण विशिष्ट जागेवरती टाकू किंवा त्या वाक्याची जी सुरुवात आहे ती निगेशन करताना आपण कशाने करणार, तर इट इज फॉल्स दॅट किंवा इट इज नॉट ट्रू दॅट याच्याने सुद्धा आपण जर वाक्याची सुरुवात केली तर ते निगेशन तयार होणार. नाव द ट्रूथ टेबल फॉर निगेशन. देर आर 2 columns, P and negation of P. In the definition we observe that when P is true its negation is false, when P is false negation is true. Now we remember one note that here the negation of a statement, the negation of a statement is the statement itself. बघा, लक्षात घ्या काय म्हणते मी, निगेशन ऑफ अ स्टेटमेंट, एखाद्या स्टेटमेंटच्या निगेशनचं निगेशन. बघा, हे स्टेटमेंट पी आहे, त्याचं निगेशन आहे इथे निगेशन पी, आणि त्याचं जर परत आपण निगेशन घेतलं तर आपल्याला ते जे स्टेटमेंट आहे ते पुन्हा मिळेल, म्हणजे पी मिळेल. निगेशन ऑफ निगेशन पी इज इक्वल टू पी. ओके, निगेशन ऑफ निगेशन पी इज इक्वल टू पी. नाउ these are the logical connectives in this chapter. Now in the next chapter we solve some examples on this topic. So see you again in the next example.